In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a StreamElements overlay. We'll go from creating the overlay inside StreamElements all the way to adding it into OBS Studio so your alerts, chat box, and other on-screen elements appear properly during your stream. First, head over to the StreamElements dashboard and log in using your streaming account. This is where all of your overlay tools and stream widgets are managed. Once you're signed in, look for the Streaming Tools section and then click on Overlays. And this area is basically your workspace for building visuals that appear on top of your stream. From there, click New Overlay. You'll be asked to choose a resolution, and a common choice is 1080p. Picking the correct resolution matters because it helps your overlay match your stream canvas and display cleanly. After selecting the resolution, open the editor to start customizing the overlay. Inside the editor, use the blue plus icon to add the widgets you want. For example, you can add an alert box for follows, subscriptions, or donations, a chat box to display live chat on screen, or stream labels for recent activity. Choose the widgets that fit your setup, place them where you want them to appear, and when you're happy with the layout, click Save. Saving is important so your changes are stored before you move into OBS. Next, find the overlay link and copy the URL. Depending on what you see on screen, this may be available directly through a link button or through a menu icon with an option to copy URL. This URL is what OBS will use to display your StreamElements overlay as a browser source. Now switch over to OBS Studio and go to your Sources panel. This is where you add visual elements to your scene. Click the plus button and select Browser. When prompted, give the source a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to use multiple overlays for different scenes. After naming the source, paste your copied StreamElements URL into the URL field. Then set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. These dimensions match a standard full HD overlay and help ensure everything lines up correctly on screen. Once that's done, click OK. Your StreamElements overlay should now appear inside OBS. If needed, you can reposition it within the scene, but as long as the resolution matches, it should fit nicely. And that's it. You've successfully set up a StreamElements overlay and connected it to OBS Studio.